How often should you clean the server room? As a place that stores tons of important data, it is usually the least accessible place in the company. But this doesn't mean it has to be dirty. Make it only accessible to trained personnel. First things first, the data server area should be accessible to authorized workers only. Additionally, the workers cleaning beneath the raised floor must be adequately trained and reminded that they should be cautious when cleaning near power transmission and distribution cables. This is because touching or pushing on these cables can cause a meltdown, necessitating the use of power cleaning equipment on raised floor tiles. In the meantime, make sure that cleaning equipment is properly plugged into the allocated maintenance service wall sockets. Keep the dirt out. To maintain a clean server room, you may want to install sticky carpets throughout the entrance and exit points to the raised floor to remove debris from the footwear of people going in and out. In the same way, every piece of cleaning equipment and accessories inside the data server room ought to be checked to be non-conductive. Get a temporary spot. Designate a temporary location near the data server room for unloading and rearranging new or additional hardware rather than inside the data server room to avoid pollutants settling inside the underfloor plenum. A recently created or heavily used data server room, on the other hand, might as well be cleaned more frequently. Maintain good ventilation. Most server rooms are built with good ventilation systems, however, it's still a good idea to refresh your data server room regularly. In addition to that, be sure to vacuum the floor before mopping it with a not too wet mop. When cleaning vented hardware surfaces, avoid using a dry mop since it can drive dirt further into small openings and impede airflow, thus denying important electrical equipment essential airflow. Get a construction room, if you need one. We advise against constructing power whips on anything that looks like a data server's raised floor. To keep a clean server room, you should consider setting aside a distinct area for construction or purchasing ready-made power whips. Furthermore, it is important to avoid removing several floor tiles at once while cleaning beneath a raised floor, because this can reduce the internal pressure beneath the raised floor. Needless to say that this is dangerous, as it could cause the hardware to overheat in other parts of the data server's raised flooring. Bonus tip: no food allowed. Neither quick snacks or drinks should be permitted inside the data server room. This will go a long way to reduce the amount of dirt in the room. If you must clean, be sure to use only endorsed cleaning products. Consult a professional. As an important part of the company, maintaining a clean server room should be handled with care. Although less accessible, dirt does accumulate in server rooms and poses harm to the data and employees working there. It is important to consult a specialist to help protect your server room. For more assistance, don't hesitate to contact FastKlean, a professional cleaning company. We are here to help. Want more tips? Check out our previous video on how to keep your office desk clean. Also, let us know your views and comments in the comment section below. Why don't you consider the help of trained cleaning professionals, the ones that work at FastKlean? Our company can help you deal with all aspects of cleaning. Simply call 0208 8849 149 or visit fastklean.co.uk. Sign up for our masterclasses and learn how to create a toxin-free environment at home or any business premises. Watch our other videos and learn more eco-friendly cleaning tips. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Thank you for watching.